I can feel the water, I can feel the bones, I can feel the blade now, it slips upon my skin. I can feel the animal awake inside. I can feel the way I am, turning all my softness into dust. My softness into dust. And I can hear the wasteland calling. I'm strapping on my hardware, calling, calling me. And I can hear the wasteland calling. Oh. I kneel and touch the ground now. A tremor is near. Say a silent prayer, 'cause I know you can hear. And I won't save my life for nobody else. I won't save my love for nobody else. And I can hear the wasteland calling. I'm strapping on my hardware, calling, calling me. And I can hear the wasteland calling, like I've been here before. Oh, like I've been here before. Oh, and I can hear the wasteland calling. I'm strapping on my hardware, calling, calling me. And I can hear the wasteland
Traveling through Norway definitely is a unique experience. The sheer size of those landscapes, mountains, rivers, fjords, plateaus, valleys, and a lot of waterfalls. It's just a playground for your FPV drone. We really had a blast traveling down there, and I must say it must have been one of my favorite trips I've ever been on. And while you watch me balancing over this stone structure, I wanted to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. Please leave your thoughts in the comments down below. And I'm currently planning another trip, maybe to Iceland, maybe a little bit more north in Norway, Lofoten, Lyngen. So I'm really hyped for this one. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you up on the next one.